Hello everyone. In this video, I have this LED controller. You can see this is the controller. Here we have three buttons here. The middle one is the power button and the speed controller, and the top one is the mode. If you are pressing this, pattern will be changed. And below one is light. We'll see what is this button. And these wires are the LED wires, and below wires are the electricity wires. That is, we can connect 5 volts to 24 volts. We'll connect this 12 volts LED to this and we'll see how this module works. I'll connect this LED according to the polarity. Here I have connected this LED to the module. Here I have this 12 volts output. I have connected this to the module. So by pressing the middle button, this module will be switching on. You can see if I'm pressing the top button, the pattern is changing, and if I'm clicking on the speed button, you can see the speed of the blinking of the lights is decreasing. This is high speed. So this is the least one. If we click on the last button, there will be no effect. The light will be glowing continuously. If we click on the mode button, the pattern will be changing. Here I can see there are around 4 to 5 patterns.